Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Kenya quickly and easily. If you've been confused or unsure where to start, don't worry, I've got you. Let's jump right in. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account in Kenya. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to set up your account in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to paypal.com.ke/home. This is the home page where your journey begins. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to PayPal. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up button. It's usually located at the top corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that button to start the registration process. Next, PayPal will present you with two types of accounts, personal and business. Since we're focusing on setting up a personal account today, make sure you select the personal account option and then click Get Started. This choice is perfect for anyone who plans to shop online or send money to friends and family. Now, it's time to fill in your personal details. You'll need to provide your first and last name, your email address, and create a strong password. Remember, a strong password is crucial for keeping your account secure, so use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. At this stage, you must ensure that Kenya is selected as your country. This is very important because certain services and features are region-specific. You want everything to be set correctly for your location. Once you've verified that Kenya is selected, click Next to continue. Following this, PayPal requires you to fill in additional information, such as your full name, home address, and phone number. It's very important to provide accurate information because this will be used later to verify your account. With your basic details set up, you're now ready to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card to your PayPal account. Linking a payment method allows you to make transactions and send money easily. Just follow the on-screen instructions for adding your preferred payment method. In some cases, PayPal may ask you to verify your account. This step could involve linking your bank account or providing additional documentation. Keep an eye on your email. PayPal often sends verification instructions directly to your inbox. Finally, before completing your setup, you'll need to review PayPal's terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read these so you're fully aware of your rights and responsibilities. Once you're satisfied, click Agree and Create Account. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your PayPal account in Kenya. With just a few clicks and a little information, you're now ready to enjoy the convenience of using PayPal for your online transactions. If you have any issues or questions, PayPal has a helpful and detailed support section on their website. Definitely check it out. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Happy transacting, and see you in the next video.